Hello and welcome to my text studio. Let's learn today how to align text in a row or column in MS Excel while working on Android phone. When you are using Android phone and you have to work in MS Excel, you got plenty of option of aligning text. Usually, there are 9 different options available to align text in MS Excel on Android phone. So let's learn. First of all, let me increase the height and then width of this cell so you can watch it clearly. Then let me type some text here. Let me type text 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now you will see how we can align this text. Go to the Home tab. In the Home tab, we have the option of aligning text. We have these 9 different options. First one is the top, second option is the middle, and the third option is for the bottom position. In the first top position, we have the text on the left side. The next option, move the text into the center top. And on the right side, when we click on the right side, the text move to the right top. In the middle section, we have the option of left center, then in the center, and then we can move the text to the right middle while using this option. In the bottom section, we have 3 different options. That is for bottom left, that is for center bottom, and this is for the right bottom text. So this is how you can align text on 9 different positions while working in MS Excel using your Android phone. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to learn more, please subscribe. Don't forget to share. Take care and goodbye.